It's 8:52 in the morning and it's 80 degrees already. Ah, paradise.
Heading north to the Isla Mujeres. Gonna do some snorkeling up there, checking out the bird sanctuary. Should be a great day. So these are the Mayan ruins at Punta Sur. Pretty amazing. A pretty big wave set. Big wave set. Get across, Vista. Get across, get across. So this is pretty cool. This is the easternmost part of Mexico. So this is where we're gonna watch the sunrise. Pretty awesome place.
Right there, that point, and then it goes, and then sets right there.
Look at mine, Dad.
Let's insert it.
Oh my gosh. Mom, look at mine. This looks so good.
Caribbean Benedict. Amazing. You gotta try it.
Oh my god. Literally, when you go to Roosters, the hash brown Benedict, it has the best steak you will ever eat. If you get it medium well, it is the most tender and amazing steak I've ever had. So good. Amazing.
Poblano pepper for breakfast. Yes, please. What do we got there?
We have a peach Bellini. Oh, smells amazing. Oh my gosh. It's got peach puree, whatever the, oh my gosh. Amazing. Wow.
So we're here at the Mango Cafe. It's about halfway up the island. Really neat atmosphere here. It smells wonderful. Really excited to try it.
That looks amazing.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
We can just slide that down. Thank you so much.
Best meal for sure, by far, fish tacos. Where are we at? The Blue Bali. Oh,
Blue Ballyhoo.
Blue Ballyhoo. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And the margarita's not so bad either.
You devoured that.
Gosh, strong.
Get bitter. Like a snake. That is fire. Fire sauce.
I swear, there's a Carolina Reaper in that. Ah! Bro, I'm sweating.
So what we got here is we've got fish stuffed with all sorts of different types of seafood. It's excellent. It's very, very good. So hey, we are at Oscar's now. We just ordered pizzas, enchiladas. That was Colton. Margaritas are fantastic. Amazing.
That
Way
is
now.
so good. Best ones I've had on the island.
Is it, Dad?
Is it pretty good?
Oh, so freaking good.
The best way to get around Isla Mujeres is by golf cart. It's pretty small, so they can go down narrow roads, and you get to the middle part of the island. And they're honestly just easy to drive around and have fun with your family. You get to enjoy the super pretty view.
It's fun. We're literally, oh my gosh, look, we're like the taxis are like right behind us, but they're so cool. The roads are a little narrow, but that's okay. Shoot! And there's a lot of speed bumps. they're like everywhere. What do you think?
Love lizards. Love lizards.
So cool. Oh, this is kind of scary. I hope Gregory doesn't fall.
Yeah.
Just you're crazy.
Spicy mango.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
That looks good.
Shoot, they have churros.
I'll eat the churros.
Alright,
Seriously, we
let me
could.
capture some bites here.
Oh,
It's a pack of wolves.
it's so good.
It's kind of like a plague of locusts came through here and devoured it all. Really good. We're right next to Rooster is right behind me. So Rooster Restaurant,
Get a picture of the restaurant.
fantastic. So the main beach area is right below me here. And where you want to go snorkeling is, you want to go out this way, go around. Out there is the reef, all until you get to the pier there. So from right out here all the way over to this pier is amazing snorkeling, just amazing.
My favorite part of my vacation has been the beaches, the blue-green water, the white sand, restaurants that we've gone to, trying different food throughout the week, and just sightseeing. It's beautiful.
By far, the favorite part of my trip to Isla Mujeres was Gregory the iguana. Absolutely the best. This random guy on the street was just like, yo, you want to hold my iguana? I'm like, yes. If you guys didn't know, we have a lizard named Daisy, a bearded dragon, and I love lizards. My dad and I both.
And then the food, pretty awesome here. Smoothie, very good. And then the Isla Contoy excursion that we went on was very, very good. We saw amazing beaches, had fresh fish like cooked for us and then cut. Oh, amazing. And then we had to go snorkeling as well.
So my favorite part of this vacation so far has been probably the snorkeling. The types of fish we've seen have been just out of this world cool. Sharks, stingrays, just a lot of really cool stuff. The food has been phenomenal. I mean, another great restaurant here this morning, Mango Cafe. The whole trip has just been really quite magical, actually.